Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to this Mandala meditation series too. Today we dive into the reality of third eye chakra, Ajna chakra. This third eye chakra is the center of intuition, inner vision, guidance and clarity. As I create this mandala, allow your awareness to turn inward into the quiet, spacious, bright world within you. Close your eyes gently and soften your gaze. Bring your awareness to the space between your eyebrows, your third eye center. Take a slow inhale and a long, soft exhale. Now imagine a deep indigo light forming in that space. It's calm, it's cool, and it's vibrant too. With every inhale, this indigo light grows brighter. With every exhale, it expands outward, gently, slowly, and peacefully. Now imagine you're standing in a quiet, open night sky. Star shines above you like diamonds scattered across the entire world. The air is cool, the air is calm as well, and it is also still. In the distance, you see a faint indigo glow, a soft flame calling you closer. You walk towards it slowly, each step sinking you deeper into peace. As I place each dot on this mandala, imagine star-like sparks igniting within your mind. And the spark gives you moments of clarity, flashes of intuition, and truth. Now take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your thoughts begin to slow, quiet, and soften. Imagine your thoughts as clouds drifting through the sky. They move at their own pace. You don't chase them, you don't hold them, you simply let them fly. When the clouds part, a vast indigo sky appears, which is your inner awareness, and it is open and infinite. Now imagine a blue indigo lotus blooming at your third eye. Its petal opens slowly, revealing a glow inside. And this is your intuition, your inner vision. Place your attention gently on this light. You don't need to understand it. You simply allow it to shine, feeling the light spreading inside your head, and it softens all the tension that you have. Now visualize yourself seated in a quiet meditation room. A soft indigo lamp hangs above you, and the lights pours over you like a cool moonlight, which is refreshing, soothing, awakening. As this mandala continues to take shape, imagine each dot synchronizing with your Inner wisdom. Now imagine your mind as a calm, still lake. The surface is smooth and untouched. With each exhale, the surface becomes more and more clearer, reflecting your deepest truth. You walk to the edge of the lake, and as you look in, you see not your physical reflection, but your inner self. You reach out and touch the surface of the lake. Soft ripples form, carrying insight, guidance, and intuition across your entire being. Feel the clarity spreading through your forehead, your mind, your breath, your entire being. You are aligned with your intuition. You are connected to your inner guidance. You are awake to deeper knowing. Now stay here, resting in the indigo glow, which is soft, vast, and limitless. I'm going to give you a few affirmations. You can either repeat out loud or mentally too. My intuition guides me with clarity and truth. My intuition guides me with clarity and truth. I trust my inner wisdom. I trust my inner wisdom. My mind is calm, clear, and open. My mind is calm, clear, and open. I see beyond illusions and into truth. I see beyond illusions and into the truth. Insight flows naturally through me. Insights flow naturally through me. Take one deep breath in and exhale gently. Your third eye is open, awake, and aligned. If this meditation awakened clarity and intuition in you, share how you feel in the comments. Your experience may guide someone else.